AVoIPoE. We're here at the Peerless AV event, and I'm here with Jonathan from Vestel. Jonathan, please introduce us to Vestel for those that aren't familiar with that.
Sure. It's a real cliche that everyone in the division says, but we're probably the biggest brand that no one's ever heard of. So the likelihood is someone's probably got something in their homes made by Vestel. We make everything from washing machines, microwaves, EV chargers, consumer TVs, but it's all OEM branded. So it's branded under many different brands such as Panasonic, Toshiba, Bosch. Here today though, we are focusing more on the commercial division, which is digital signage, interactive displays and LCD video walls. And as you can see here from the video, we produce everything in Turkey. So we're a Turkish manufacturer. So yeah, that has a lot of advantages, and because of the scale of how much we produce, the fact we make for a lot of OEM brands, especially the Japanese, the quality is really high grade. So yeah, a third of the TVs that are sold in Europe comes from Vestel. You just never see it Vestel branded. So it's quite unique actually that in this division, the commercial AV division, we can actually sell from the factory. So in essence, large distributor of LCD, LED displays at a very disruptive cost.
And where have you seen most of the uptake for some of your displays?
So on the interactive side, I would probably say definitely education. I'd probably say 80, if not 90% of our interactive screens are in the education market, and that's primarily K2 and below. In terms of the commercial displays, retail, QSR is probably one of the biggest ones. So I guess our biggest projects that we've won across the whole of EMEA is Sainsbury's, which was about 4,000 displays. Unfortunately, if you go to Sainsbury's, you won't see a Vestel screen. It's all back of house. But yeah, like a lot of retail digital menu screens for digital signage. I think one of the things and the reason why we're here today that we're starting to get a lot of space in is obviously commercial displays into meeting rooms. So all our screens have been coded specifically to work brilliantly with like MTR rooms, Zoom, so RS232, light controls, they work seamlessly with the UC and VC equipment.
And there's also that option of using the modules, whether it's SCM modules or the SV modules. And have you seen much uptake from that side of it?
So it's still a growing market. I mean, it's something that the factory can do. I guess one of our USPs with Vestel is we can make anything for anything. Obviously, there's a certain volume that has to be done to achieve that, but I guess it's a cultural thing with Turkish. We never say no, and that is something that actually is quite useful. We're quite adaptable. So if the project does come, we've got the capabilities and the partnerships with Intel to do that and make that. So far, we haven't seen much of that. There's still a big requirement around OPSs, especially on the interactive, and to a small degree with the non-interactive display. So I still think there is a market for OPS, but hopefully we'll start seeing more of a drive with SE. And this is, I guess, the reason why we're here today, to try and find those opportunities.
Brilliant. And if people want to find out more information, where would they go?
So our main website is vestelvisualsolutions.co.uk. UK team is based in Langley Slough, but we work with some of the main distributors: Exertis, Ingram Micro, North Amber AV, Audiovisual Material, and West Coast. So we're stocked heavily in the UK. So from the integrator side, yeah, if you just ask any of your distributors, we'll be able to get costs.
Thanks for that.